What's up, everyone? We're outside in the pouring rain, enjoying this nice weather. We got two new RCs in the group. Matt has the Deadbolt from Axial, and my wife's got the Scout 2 V2 from Redcat. And I'm driving my 6x6. So, let's get it on. We'll just go to this little hill over here near the plow truck. My wife's not really her first time, but her really first time having a crawl truck and using it. That's okay, just look where your tires need to go. Yeah, she's gotta get used to it, guys. There you go, just go up slowly with it. Keep going. Just nice and easy with it. Guys, she's been excited for this truck. She couldn't wait till it came in, and it came in today, along with Matt's.
Nice.
Alright, I'm bringing the 6x6 in. The 6x6 got a brand new ESC and a motor in it because we burnt out the motor yesterday. Alright, climb up this hill. Alright, Matt's gonna try this rock. A lot of our vehicles have a hard time climbing up here. Oh. Let's see what Catherine does. Oh, there you go, babe. Go slow. Don't go fast.
There you go, nice.
The back bumper's catching up like all of ours does. Oh. Oh, first rollover. Not a virgin no more. My wife's already talking about upgrades she wants to do to this thing. Back up, babe. Or just push a rock. Guys, you gotta give it to Matt. Matt broke his hand the other day, so he's trying to learn to drive with one hand. He broke his. Alright guys, we're back. I had to delete some stuff because my phone kind of filled up. I haven't really been playing with my trucks, just been checking out Matt's and Catherine's. Go away here. Oh. Back up, babe.
No, Matt just got going.
She tumbled.
I keep
Eh. Back up and give it to her. There you go. Oh, on four wheels. So sometimes, babe, when you get stuck like that, you gotta back up a little bit and then just give it to her. See? Now back up a little bit and now give it to her. No, faster. Like, go. There you go. See?
There you go.
Sometimes you need that wheel speed. That works a lot better, don't it? With the rocks at the oh, you're on your four. You're upright. Same with her. Maybe I'll play with the 6x6 now. Oh, Catherine just rolls it.
You made it, dear. You made it.
Almost. Nice. And you roll over.
Alright.
Like I said, good job. Okay.
You getting cold, babe? Oh. Lock it for a sec.
You rolled me over.
Yeah, guys, we're probably done with this video. If you liked what you saw, definitely leave a like, guys. Subscribe. Like always, we are out.